I am from Sandpoint, Idaho. Anthony Anderson. I'm a structural steel inspector. I've been around structural steel for a long time, but I've never actually got the experience doing it myself. The best part of it was that I wasn't really on a schedule. I had, is before the snow fly, I wanted to have it put up. So to be able to take my time, do things right, that was the best part, is not being in a hurry. I had several other quotes from steel companies, and they relentlessly hounded me after I got my quote. You guys did not do that, and I really appreciated it. When I did need a response and contacted you guys were right on top of it and very expedient about getting me an answer. I'll have to give you the guy's name because he was like so helpful. And I'd send him an email, and usually if it was on a business day, he was going to respond before the end of that business day. Phenomenal amount of help. Me and my dad, which is 78, built it from the ground up. We did the concrete, we put it all together. It was just a great experience from the start. You know, some bonding with my dad, as well as just learning more about structural steel, which I've always been fascinated with. It was just, it was a pleasure doing it. From the time I got delivery till the time I finished, it was just a smooth flow the whole entire time.